Hi guys, and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to solve Instagram notes are not showing. To start, open your settings application in your mobile device. Once on settings, scroll down and then look for General. Once you find General, head on over to iPhone Storage. Once you find it, tap on it. Over at iPhone Storage, you can scroll down or use the search bar from the upper right and then look for Instagram. Once you find Instagram, tap on it. In here, tap on Offload App. Once done offloading your Instagram application, open your App Store right now in your mobile device. In App Store, use the search bar and then search for Instagram. In here, open Instagram and then tap on the update button. All you have to do this time is to update Instagram. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.